Hello again. We're back with another video. Today we would like to introduce one of our newest modules in Previo. This module is called Tasks and should serve as a to-do list for your employees and other users of our system. The Tasks module is available only in the Pro version of our software and is the third part of the housekeeping section in the upper menu. When you open this module, you will see a list of all reported and unresolved tasks in the default view. You can create a new task using this button with the green plus icon. Now you need to set the parameters of the task. You set the name of the task. You set the division or staff section who should resolve the task, like reception, maintenance, reservation departure, etc. You set the status of the task. New tasks will have an unresolved status, but your staff can change it to resolved or in progress if they are currently working on it. You set the date. Tasks should be resolved by this date. You set who will be assigned the task. This person will see a notification bar with the task while logged into our system. You can assign the task to a user role, which will have more than one person, or you can assign it to just one specific user. You can also set the task to be connected with specific reservations, documents, or rooms. You can select which one right here. You can also create a task without connection to anything, under Undefined. The last thing you can set is a description of the problem, which might be a more detailed list of what has to be done. You can now save the task and see it on our list. You see all the information right here. This icon shows you if it's assigned to a user or user role, and if the task is connected to any document or reservation, you can click through to Reservation Calendar or Documents list. Tasks can be marked as resolved here, where you can switch their status. You can also edit and delete tasks using these two familiar buttons. Now let's see how it works when you have a task assigned. We will use the task we just created, which was assigned to the user who is currently logged in. You might notice there is a new notification in the right side of the upper menu. If you move your cursor over it, you will see all tasks that were assigned to you as a user or to your user role. In the list, you see the name of the task, and the icon which informs you if the task was assigned only to you or to your user role. The most important information here is how much time you have left to resolve this assigned task. If you still have more than one day before the deadline, the number will be displayed in days. If you have less than 24 hours, it will be displayed in hours. If you want to see more details of your tasks, like the description, you can just click on it and you will be redirected to the tasks overview. Here you can read further instructions, and you can also mark the task as resolved, like we showed you just a few minutes ago. Lastly, we have filters, which can be used for inspection of resolved tasks. You can filter the tasks by name, by creation or deadline date, by status, etc. Tasks can also be filtered by users and user roles, so you can easily check if your employees are resolving the tasks assigned to them. And that's it. We think this module has great potential, and we look forward to improving it with the help of your feedback. Thanks for joining us.